In the timeless expanse of the universe, there exists a repository of infinite wisdom, a sacred library where the stories of our souls are eternally recorded. These are the Akashic Records, whispered of in ancient texts and revered by spiritual seekers throughout the ages. But what are these mystical records, and how do they hold the key to unlocking the mysteries of our past, illuminating the present, and shaping our future? Join us on a journey of discovery as we delve into the depths of the Akashic Records, guided by the profound insights of Dolores. Through her teachings, we embark on a quest to unveil the secrets of this hidden realm and harness its transformative power in our lives. The eternal repository of knowledge, known as the Akashic Records, stands as an ethereal library transcending time and space, where the collective consciousness of all existence is meticulously documented. Within its boundless expanse, every thought, emotion, action, and experience that has ever occurred is intricately recorded, forming an intricate tapestry of interconnectedness that spans across dimensions. It serves as a reservoir of divine wisdom, accessible to those who seek to understand the deeper truths of existence. In delving into the Akashic Records, one embarks on a journey of self-discovery and enlightenment, uncovering the profound mysteries of their soul's journey. Here, the past is not confined to history books or fading memories. It is alive, pulsating with the energy of every moment that has ever been. By accessing these records, individuals gain insight into their past incarnations, understanding how previous experiences shape their current circumstances and influence their future trajectory. The Akashic Records offer a window into the collective consciousness of humanity, revealing the interconnectedness of all souls and the underlying unity that binds us together. It is a space of profound healing and transformation, where souls can release past traumas, resolve karmic patterns, and awaken to their true essence. The wisdom contained within the Akashic Records is not limited by the constraints of time or space. It transcends the boundaries of the physical realm, offering guidance and insight that resonate across lifetimes. It is a source of profound inspiration and empowerment, empowering individuals to navigate the complexities of existence with clarity and purpose. In embracing the eternal repository of knowledge that is the Akashic Records, individuals unlock the key to their past, present, and future, stepping into the fullness of their being and embodying the divine essence that flows through all of creation. Unraveling the threads of time is a journey into the depths of the Akashic Records, where the fabric of existence is woven with the intricate threads of past, present, and future. Within this timeless realm, time is not linear, but rather a fluid continuum, where every moment exists simultaneously, interconnected in an eternal dance of creation. In exploring the Akashic Records, individuals gain access to the rich tapestry of their soul's journey across lifetimes. They witness the unfolding of past experiences, understanding how each moment has shaped their present reality and influenced the trajectory of their future. Through this process of unraveling the threads of time, individuals gain clarity on unresolved issues, karmic patterns, and soul contracts that continue to impact their lives. Moreover, the Akashic Records offer insights into the collective journey of humanity, revealing the interconnectedness of all souls and the patterns that shape the course of history. By delving into these records, individuals can gain a deeper understanding of the lessons and challenges that humanity faces, contributing to the collective evolution of consciousness. Unraveling the threads of time is not just about understanding the past, it's also about shaping the future. By gaining insight into past experiences and patterns, individuals can make conscious choices that align with their soul's highest purpose, thereby creating a more fulfilling and empowered future. As individuals gaze into the mirror of self-reflection, they are confronted with the truth of who they are, their strengths, weaknesses, fears, and desires laid bare before them. It is a moment of profound honesty and vulnerability, where there is no hiding from the truth of their own existence. Moreover, the mirror of self-reflection serves as a catalyst for deep healing and transformation. By confronting the shadows that lurk within, individuals can release old wounds, patterns, and beliefs that no longer serve them, freeing themselves from the chains of the past and stepping into the fullness of their potential. Furthermore, the mirror of self-reflection offers a pathway to self-awareness and empowerment. Through honest introspection and reflection, individuals can gain clarity on their goals, values, and purpose in life, aligning their actions with their highest aspirations and creating a more fulfilling and authentic existence. Ultimately, the journey of self-reflection within the Akashic Records is a profound exploration of the human psyche and the eternal quest for self-understanding and realization. It is a journey of courage, honesty, and self-discovery, where individuals come face to face with the truth of their own existence and embrace the beauty and complexity of their souls. In the embrace of the mirror of self-reflection, individuals find not only healing and transformation, but also empowerment and liberation as they awaken to the infinite potential that resides within them. Navigating the path of destiny within the Akashic Records is akin to embarking on a sacred pilgrimage, a journey of self-discovery and soul evolution guided by the wisdom of the cosmos. Within these mystical records, the blueprint of our destiny unfolds, revealing the intricate patterns and pathways that shape the course of our lives. As individuals navigate the path of destiny, they encounter the interplay between fate and free will, understanding that while certain events may be predetermined, they hold the power to shape their destiny through conscious choice and intention. It is a delicate balance between surrendering to the flow of the universe and actively co-creating their reality. Ultimately, the journey of navigating the path of destiny within the Akashic Records is a sacred pilgrimage of self-discovery and empowerment. It is a journey of aligning with one's highest purpose and potential, stepping into the fullness of one's being, and embracing the divine plan that unfolds with each step taken along the path. In the embrace of the Akashic Records, individuals find not only guidance and clarity, but also liberation and empowerment as they navigate the twists and turns of their destiny with grace and courage. Embracing the gift of awareness within the Akashic Records is a transformative journey of awakening to the deeper truths of existence and the boundless potential that resides within each soul. It is a profound invitation to expand consciousness, to see beyond the veil of illusion, and to recognize the interconnectedness of all things. At its essence, embracing the gift of awareness is about attuning to the subtle whispers of the universe and cultivating a deep sense of presence in every moment. It is a practice of mindfulness, of being fully engaged and attuned to the richness of life unfolding around and within us. Moreover, within the Akashic Records, individuals gain access to a vast reservoir of wisdom and insight that illuminates the path of self-discovery and spiritual growth. By embracing this gift of awareness, individuals can tap into the timeless knowledge encoded within these records, gaining clarity on their purpose, path, and potential in life. Furthermore, embracing the gift of awareness allows individuals to see beyond the limitations of the ego and connect with the deeper dimensions of their being. It is a journey of self-transcendence, where individuals move beyond the confines of the small self and align with the infinite intelligence of the cosmos. Ultimately, the journey of embracing the gift of awareness within the Akashic Records is a sacred pilgrimage of self-realization and empowerment. It is a journey of awakening to the beauty and wonder of life, of recognizing the divine spark that resides within each of us, and of embracing the fullness of our being with gratitude and grace. In the embrace of this gift of awareness, individuals find not only enlightenment and empowerment, but also profound peace, joy, and fulfillment in every moment of existence. Embracing the gift of awareness within the Akashic Records is a journey of profound transformation and empowerment. It is a journey of awakening to the deeper truths of existence, of recognizing the interconnectedness of all things, and of aligning with the infinite wisdom of the cosmos. As individuals delve into the depths of these mystical records, they unlock the keys to their past, present, and future, gaining clarity on their purpose, path, and potential in life. In embracing this gift of awareness, individuals find not only enlightenment and empowerment, but also profound peace, joy, and fulfillment in every moment of existence. So, let us continue to embrace this journey with open hearts and open minds, knowing that in the embrace of awareness, we unlock the door to infinite possibility and potential.